Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Twenty CRM. In order to do so, here we are at 20.com. And what you can do is there's a couple ways of going about this. You can install Twenty CRM, it is open source, or you can run it directly from the website. So I'll show you both ways. First off, if you want to install it directly, then you're going to need to go to Docs, Developers, and then here you'll see the option for local setup. So you can go ahead and click on that. And then here it is going to give you all of the instructions for installing it. Now, this is an advanced installation. If you are not super tech savvy, then you might have a little bit of trouble going through this. But one thing that you can do that might make this process easier on you is you can use AI. So we love Cider AI here at Skillcraft. Cider is an extension for your browser that allows you to ask questions of the top AI models available, like Cider Fusion, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, DeepSeek. And so this can really help you if you're a little bit more of an amateur but you really want to be able to install this. Then you might want to use Cider to guide you through the process. It's a great tool. I've used this before when I've had some trouble with some of these more advanced open source installations that can be a bit intimidating, but you can use something like Cider to help you through the steps. So that's one way of doing it. The other is to just kind of go in through the front door, and let's go ahead and show you how that works. So you're going to want to either sign in or click get started, but let's go ahead and click get started here so that you have an idea of how this works from the get-go. And all you're going to do is we're going to either continue with Google, Microsoft, or your email. I'm going to go ahead and continue with Google. Easiest way of going about this. And we can click a couple clicks of the button. And we have a couple options here. We can do the 30-day trial, which we're going to need a credit card, or we could do a 7-day trial without the credit card. After that, you're looking at $12 a month. But if you want to just do without the credit card, we'll just select that. And we'll click continue. So you could try this out for yourself. Go ahead and try the trial. And we're going to create a workspace. So let's see here. Just put in some basic information, and 20 is already setting up our workspace. Just going to take a moment here while this gets all set up. First name, last name. Oh boy, let's see. We'll just Skillcraft AI YouTube. Perfect. That's fine. Emails, calendar. We're going to continue without sync. If you want to do this, if you have a team, you can obviously do this. We're just going to go ahead and skip through this. We can book an onboarding. So their team can help set up your workspace to match your specific needs and workflows. So if you need help with that, then you might want to book an onboarding. But if you are looking to just get started, then that is the basic process. And once you have that ready to go, then here you are. You are ready to go from here. Again, if you want to book an onboarding, if you're not sure where to start, then you can go ahead and do that. Otherwise, you can use their resources on their website, and that should be helpful as well. But that is basically how you can get started using 20 CRM. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you're interested in using Cider AI, take a look at the link in the description. There you'll find our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cider. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link in the link tree, you'll get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you'll get $125 per referral, and they'll get $50 to start. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial comes highly recommended.